This is the brief on the new Toyota Land Cruiser FJ, launching right around now in mid-2026. It's a brand new, compact, and highly accessible SUV, aiming to bring legendary Land Cruiser off-road freedom and joy to a much wider audience. First, think of its footprint kind of like a rugged off-road multi-tool. It sports an awesome, boxy dice motif with those classic round headlights. Under the hood, it's rocking a 2.7-liter gas engine, a 6-speed transmission, and part-time four-wheel drive. Because it's so compact, with a wheelbase literally 270 millimeters shorter than the bigger 250 series, it hits a super tight 5.5-meter turning radius for absolutely killer urban and trail agility. Second, you might be wondering, since it's so small, does it actually sacrifice its hardcore off-road DNA? Well, absolutely not. It boasts wheel articulation, basically keeping those tires planted over massive rocks, right on par with heavy-duty 70 series trucks. Plus, the interior's low-set cowl and horizontal instrument panel are specifically designed to give you instant, clear visibility of your vehicle's angle and the rough terrain right ahead. Finally, since it's built to conquer the trails, how can you customize it for your specific adventures? Well, it features a highly modular design with segmented bumpers that are super easy to replace if you ding them, plus interior MOLLE panels for strapping in all your gear. But here's the real game changer. Toyota integrated the Land Hopper. It's a three-wheeled electric mobility vehicle that literally fits right in the FJ's trunk, letting you explore trails even after the road ends, all while standard Toyota safety sense keeps you secure. The FJ perfectly shrinks legendary off-road brawn and fresh modularity into an incredibly agile, adventure-ready package.